What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create a talking AI avatar. Now you can go here. In order to do so, you need to go to a website called HeyGen. Just subscribe with your email. It's pretty easy and simple. And in HeyGen here, in HeyGen, sorry, you have AI avatar. You can create instant avatar. However, this is for like the paid plan, or you can view the HeyGen library here. Let's say create a video avatar from the menu on the left, and you are provided with lots of like templates that you can use. Now here, if I choose here like photo avatar, I can choose between lots of photos that are available, and I can add my new photo here. I can even upload a photo if I want to. And the best thing here is to add your online avatar. If you want to create it, just go to a image generator such as Leonardo.ai and just generate an avatar. So generate a male avatar cartoon style, and you need to provide as many details as possible regarding the face shape, the eye colors, the hair color, hair length, and everything. So I'll just for the sake of this video, I'll just leave it as it is, a very simple prompt here, and it starts generating. And once it does, you can download the photo and use it as your avatar. Now, let's go back here. Let's say I want to choose between the provided avatars. Let's say I want to choose this one. Okay, you can view here the photo up close. You can edit the avatar or create with this avatar. Let's say I want to create with this avatar a portrait video. And here in the script, you want to add your script. Let's say this is a test video. Okay, and it'll take a moment to update here, and if you play the audio, it'll play it in the voice of the avatar that you chose. You have many voice models here you can choose from. Okay, and now it's good enough. Now here in the avatar, once you've chosen your avatar and you play the video, and once you have your script and your picture avatar ready, and you submit here, it'll start analyzing, and the avatar will start lip syncing with your script, creating an AI avatar for you.